Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get logarithmic chart on TradingView mobile app. I will show you this on my PC because it's much easier to show you on my PC. But yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, if you're on your PC, you have this icon right here. Now to easily change the style of your chart on TradingView, all you have to do is click on that icon, and then this will allow you to change your chart to various types of charts supported on TradingView, right? However, this is not the same on mobile phone, right? So if you want to change it on your mobile phone, what you will need to do is you will need to go right here, as you can see on the three dots, basically on your settings, and then you will need to go to logarithmic right here. So basically you can go on the as you can see, I'm on Bitcoin USDT, right? And then I just went to the settings, and then from settings I went to a logarithmic, right? And that's pretty much how I changed, or how I got a logarithmic chart on TradingView on mobile app. Now obviously, if you want more videos like this, definitely support us by subscribing down below. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video.